This video will show you how to operate your transportable scooter from Scootaround. Start by sitting down on the scooter. You can turn the seat for easier access if necessary. To turn the scooter on, insert the key and turn it to the right. The gauge will move from red to green. Adjust the speed dial to your comfort level. We recommend not going past the 12 o'clock position. Keep the speed low if you are new to using scooters and turn it up slowly as you get more comfortable. Do not turn the speed up more than halfway when driving the device indoors. Hold the throttle on the right side to go forward and push it to go backward. If you are left-handed, you can push the left side throttle forward to move forward and pull the throttle to go backwards. The further you push or pull, the faster it will go. To stop, simply release the throttle. When you are not using your scooter, turn the key to the off position. Always take the key with you when you get off your scooter. To charge your scooter, remove the key from the unit and plug the charger into a wall outlet. Then, plug the other end of the cord into the charger port, which is located under a rubber flap on the battery pack, or the inside of the tiller under the console. Verify that all lights are lit on your charger. If not, check the wall outlet connection and charger port to ensure everything is plugged in properly. Please charge your scooter overnight for 6 to 7 hours if possible. When the scooter is fully charged, the light on the charger will turn green. In order for your scooter to operate, you must remove the charger from the scooter. Be sure to always take the charger with you in case the battery gets low. For assistance, call 1-888-441-7575 or visit Scootaround.com.